Congratulations on making the decision to become a plumber. Our students embark on a very rewarding journey. Those who are seeking to work in residential, commercial, or industrial plumbing careers can make their starting point right here. In this course, they'll learn what there is to know about being a successful plumber. They learn about how plumbing works, materials, plumbing code, safety, fixtures, caulking and sealing, fittings and valves, plastic joining, hangers and supports, water heaters, drains, pipe repair, cast iron, metals, plastic, brazing, and more. Our students begin online with foundational studies. They move on to virtual reality simulations in the meta space world. Then they get their hands dirty building kits in labs. Of all of our classes, the labs for plumbing have to be the most exciting. There's so many exciting things that come with the hands-on portion of the class. The final exam is taken in front of a 3-panel board, and after completion they have a certificate getting them ready to get directly on the job site. We follow the NCCER curriculum and are accredited through the IACET, and we use OSHA for safety. The process is simple. We encourage our students to do their homework and make sure this is your final choice. We take our students' success very seriously. Congratulations again. Going with Kratos Votek training is a fine choice.